In this video, I will show you how you can remove opening zoom from your Shopify store. First of all, let's just see what it looks like. This is the message that we get. It says opening soon, and we can't edit our store with this. So we go back, we head down to online store, we go down to preferences, and as you can see right here, our store access is set so that there's the password protection. And to let anyone access your online store, we have to pick a plan. So you can go in here and you can select the plan. Shopify is running a deal where you can get the first 3 months for €1. That's a very good deal. And after you have done that, you can head back here and there will be an option to let anyone access your store or disable your password, and that's what you want to do.